Hi there, students. Cliff and cliffhanger. Okay, a cliff is a noun, a countable noun, and cliffhanger, I guess, is a countable noun as well. Let's see, a cliff is a rock face that's vertical or nearly vertical. So the rock just goes straight up, and that's a cliff, like the White Cliffs of Dover. Yeah, be careful, don't go too near the cliff edge. And then a cliffhanger, this is something completely different. This is a story or a situation or something like that that's exciting because the result or the ending is uncertain. Yeah, so normally if there is an action series on television, or an action series, normally the end of each episode there is a cliffhanger. There's a dramatic situation where you want to know what's going to happen next. Is the hero going to be eaten by the monster or not? And this is a cliffhanger. Also, we use this for the outcome of something. So the match was a real cliffhanger. It was 1 goal all going into the final 5 minutes. Yeah, it was very uncertain who was going to win, so everybody was on edge. The result of the election is going to be a cliffhanger. The election is going to be a cliffhanger. Yeah, it's uncertain which side is going to win. Yeah, so there's a strong element of suspense that you don't know who's going to win. And this is our cliffhanger. Okay, so particularly in a serial or some sort of melodrama, yeah, where the hero is on the point of death and we're waiting to see what happens till next week. Yeah, or a situation that you're excited to find the result but you don't know it. Yeah, you don't know how it's going to turn out. So it's a dramatic situation which is uncertain. There's no clear. It's not clear who's going to win until the very end. It's not clear who's going to be successful. Yeah, so sporting events that are cliffhangers are great fun because they're really interesting. Yeah, you're waiting for the outcome of with keen anticipation. Yeah, this very often is for a situation that's been delayed. Yeah, or the result it's not going to be known until the very last moment. Yeah, it goes down to the wire. Okay, so a cliffhanger. This is something that's exciting. Yeah, the cliffhangers are what make people watch series. I need to watch next week's episode to see what's going to happen. Is he going to live, or is he going to die? So let's see, formality. A cliff, 5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. A cliffhanger, I think maybe 4.5. Use informally, semi-formally, but not in a very formal situation. And then as to origin, it comes from Proto-Germanic kilba, meaning a cliff. And the origin of the cliffhanger, we've got this idea of this image of somebody who's left hanging on the edge of a cliff. Yeah, and we don't know if they're going to be able to save themselves or not, or if they're actually going to fall to their death. And that's why it's a cliffhanger, because the fate of this person is uncertain. Unfortunately, with the videos I make, normally there are no cliffhangers. You're not on the edge of your seat waiting to see what's going to happen next. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Cliff and Cliffhanger.